With smart, robust industrial panel computers, noax technology supports production and logistics at the German pet food specialist, Bosch Tiernahrung. The family-owned companies have enjoyed a trusting, successful collaboration since 2016. Service and quality made in Germany is a major success factor for both. At the plant in Blaufelden-Wiesenbach, more than 900 employees produce top-quality dry pet food and snacks on state-of-the-art production and packaging equipment. The noax stainless steel industrial PCs are used in the wet area, and the forklift terminals are used in the logistics area. In both areas, the computers work reliably and to complete satisfaction. We are extremely satisfied with noax. The devices simply run very reliably. The noax stainless steel industrial PCs are used in the wet area, and the forklift terminals are used in the logistics area. In both areas, the computers work reliably and to complete satisfaction. Now we have these devices directly on the machines, which means within a short distance, I can start my job right away. I also have instant feedback on what is happening in production. If there are any problems, I can go back to the terminal and stop or correct the job right on the spot.
Terminal gehen und kann dort den Auftrag dann stoppen oder bearbeiten.
The stainless steel PCs also show their advantages during the hygienic cleaning. The equipment in the wet area is cleaned with a steam jet. This also includes all the machines, walls, floors, etc. The employee is not always careful when doing this. That means he goes generously over all areas, and some equipment will ultimately get hit with the jet that are not intended to, which can be a problem. With the noax PCs, we don't have to worry about this. After the noax panel PCs were able to master all challenges in the wet area of production, the industrial computers of the specialist noax technologies were the first choice for the forklift terminals. The devices previously used in that area were difficult to manage, had frequent hardware errors, and unstable Wi-Fi connection. In the logistics sector, noax exceeded our expectations. The devices are super reliable and perfectly suitable for the intended purpose. Today, the noax logistics terminals, ranging in size from 10 to 12 inches, are permanently mounted on various industrial trucks and are exposed to many challenges on a daily basis. They are in brutal use at our company, which means that the forklifts drive around outside the halls at negative 20 degrees to plus 40 degrees Celsius. There's also relatively high humidity in some halls, and they drive around outside in the rain, storm, and snow. Right now, there is a lot of construction going on here as well, so there are several potholes in the ground. They just drive through it with their forklifts, and the terminals can withstand it all. Once they are put into production, I don't see 99% of the forklift terminals that are purchased from noax, and that is a great sign. If you ask Bosch whether they would choose noax again after all these years, the answer is clear. Just test it and convince yourself about the quality. We have a saying that goes, no news is good news, which means that if we don't hear anything about the devices, then that's actually the best case for us, because they run reliably out there in operation.